Sir, this is the website which I made for my father's business. Sir, it here is the logo and here are three buttons. If we click on these buttons, we can directly go to the. If we click on the Instagram page, so we will directly go to my father's Instagram page of business. Sir, it is taking some time to load.
Rishabh, Kashif, Kapil, if you have any questions as to how these guys did it, feel free to ask, okay?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
here you can go directly if you click on the button to my to the Instagram, and as same as the Facebook and the Pinterest. Sir, here are the some photos of the catalogs which the sarees which of my father and my uncle manufacture, and here is some about me, about our business, and this our and sir, this is the product which we sell, the sarees, and we can also swipe up. Sir, I have made this much only till because the boot camp was finished.
Great. This is great, Aditya. And did you make anything else?
No, sir.
This is great. Please share the link to this website on WhatsApp,
Sure.
and also tell everyone how you did this.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm joining from a second device and then I will just tell from a
ओके,
rough.
श्योर श्योर। उन सब की लिंक्स व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दो, अलॉन्ग विद एक मैसेज कि ये किस चीज़ का कोड है, ठीक है?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I'm going to tell in a brief that how can we make this kind of website. Sir, see if someone another's means sign in. So first we have to click on add new site, then we have to go create WordPress site. Then it is our choice that we can these are the templates and we can choose any one of them. Like if I like this, I will just click and we can also preview that how the website is going to be look. So like this. So the website will be going to look like this. I will just choose and I will just name my website like so what should I name to my website?
चूज एनी नेम, आदित्य।
Okay, sir.
मोर देन मार्क्स चूज कर लो।
Yes, sir. I will just. So we have to click like this and then we will create a site. It is just our site is just making, and then we have to click OK and we have to accept this. If we want to edit our site, we have to go on pages and we have to click on this. We will if we will click on this, our site page will open and we can also update it. Sir, I don't know why it is just showing up.
हाउ कैन वी अपडेट इट?
Yes, sir, I'm just showing. If we want to write something about us, like we will just first clear it and then we will write. So just a minute.
सर ड्यू टू हेवी रेनिंग सर कुछ ही फाइल्स अपलोड हुई है।
नो इश्यूज, धीरे धीरे वो हो जाएगा मनोज।
So we can start writing like this. My name is so like this, and we can edit our what we want to add. And there are these are some buttons of LinkedIn, WordPress, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. If we have the account on these, like I have a account of on Instagram, I will just click on Instagram and there are three dots coming just below. So if we will click, there will some options come, and we can also move it to left. We can also change the place. And here you can see in the bottom there is some a line and there are two commas are there. If we will click on this, we can add our Instagram account. Like this is the URL of the normal ones, and we can add our Instagram. We have to just go to our Instagram and then settings, and then we can copy the link, and we can do the same as this. And we can also change the photo by there are some options just below, and we can choose any photo from your device or take a photo or anything from you want. And yes, you can also edit it or replace it. This will also be the same. And here also you can write that hi and like things. And if you want to add, and don't forget to update, if you will update, the site will not be updated. And like there is only one page. If we want to add another page, like we will click on a button and we will go on another page, we have to click on this blue button just below our screen. And we can also choose a new background, like I will choose this and create a page. So it is coming like this. I will just copy the URL afterwards, and it came in the drafts. We have to go on home and then we can add any button, and then we can add the URL of that. So done.
How can we add the button and the URL? Can you explain?
Yes. So we have to click on the plus button, and then we can add buttons of anything we want. So if like I want to add a button, I will just click on the button, and I will click like we can name it, and then we have to add the URL of a URL in it. So we will click again on it, and here came the option of the comma and the line, and then we can just paste any name, so that
How,
it will
how
link.
can we link it to the other page?
Yes, sir, I'm just showing. So like this is a new page I have published. I have to publish now. And sir, it came on the main page where it is written published. We have to, sir, just copy the URL of it. So like I have clicked on preview, so I just went on the, and I will click on the earth below, and here came the URL. I will just copy it, and then I will go again on this. And sir, here we can add our new page. And sir, the new page is published.
And how can I know the URL of this website so that I can see it, so that everyone can see it?
Yes, sir, I'm sure. Sir, see, here are the pages. We have to go on the main page. From here we can also set the icon, and we can also set a title. And if we want to see the main page, we have to click the link just below the set site title, that is more than marks.art.blog. After clicking on it, we will go to our new page, and if we click on the new page, we will go to the another page which we added.
Awesome, Aditya. It was really insightful. Any questions, Kapil, Rishabh, Rutuja, Manoj, uh, Kashif?
सर
किसी
ये
और
अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है क्या कोई?
फिर से बोलो.
सर ये ऐप में हुआ है या
हाँ,
कोई क्रोम की लिंक?
ये फोन से उसने वेबसाइट बनाई है एंड फिर उसने क्रोम पे इसको खोला है। तो तुम भी अभी चाहो तो अपने मोबाइल पे morethanmarks.art.blog पे जाओगे तो यही वेबसाइट खुल जाएगी।
ओके सर।
एनीवन एल्स, कोई क्वेश्चंस? हाउ ही डिड इट?
And sir, we can also add multiple pages. We have to first go on pages. There are 4 points. We have to go on pages and then we can see over the published ones. And we can add many pages.
कपिल, काशिफ, ऋषभ, किसी को अभी तक जितना बताया है इन लोग ने, किसी भी स्किल में इंटरेस्ट है को? कपिल, काशिफ एंड ऋषभ?
यस सर। सर मेरे
यस
को
सर।
फिर से सोचने का
इन तीनों में से कौन सा ऐसा बूट कैंप है या स्किल है जो तुम लोग को सीखने का मन है? ऋषभ?
सर मेरे को तो थोड़ा बहुत मनोज वाला अच्छा लग रहा था, बाकी मैं कल तक आपको बता दूंगा कौन सा बूट कैंप मेरे को बेस्ट लगा।
ठीक है, ऑल राइट, प्लीज क्लोज आदित्य।